here we are back here at the Lake 34. Got this nice little place. Looks like pretty spooky on that side, but we got the Sonicwake out here, and I did put him out here from my GoPro. I'm gonna try that in a little bit, but we've done some little cooling changes. Pretty much stock except it's success. I changed some water coolings around. That ESC got a little warm. I didn't like how warm it got, so let me make sure this is working. Yeah. God, that sounds like hell. I do have a new stuffing tube in it. Uh-oh. Died out already. Okay, I wanted to see if I got water coming out my cooling lines. Barely. Huh. That ESC keeps kicking out. Except for this is not even warmed up yet. I don't see any water coming out. I don't see anything coming out. Huh. Well. That ESC keeps kicking out. I still got the new one. I got it warranted. Horizon Hobby sent me a new one. I just haven't put it in yet. I'm kind of wanting to play, but this could be my last. Well, dang it. This might be my last couple of my last trips out, because I'm having a knee replacement done on the 9th. Nah, look at that. It's gonna be I'll be incapacitated for a while. I don't see any water coming out of it. Yeah, I see it coming out the front one now. Yeah, I can see it squirting now. The front one. Which was the... That's the motor. Uh-oh. That's it. Wow. That didn't last very long at all. Alright, well, we got the batteries in, and looked at things, and the motor's cool. ESC is really cool. Nothing is warm whatsoever. I mean, barely. Well, not even. But I was gonna say, my stuffing tube, the liner in it is really wore out. I have a new liner for it, and I wanted to check the steering again. Oh no. I got that all the way up. Whoops. I try not to back it up. So anyway, I have the, those are the 7200s, the old ones. That's what I've been using, the 7200s, Z's, and the old batteries don't seem to last at all. I got others. I like them because they're small and they're pretty lightweight. And I got them all set over to the QSH, which I thought was going to help my heating problem with the wires. And that last run didn't take very long to see. Oh, you know what I wanted to do? Hold on a second. GoPro, stop recording. Alright, well, I'm getting here to set up the GoPro on the boat. And I won't be doing nothing too crazy. You're just running it. GoPro, start recording. All right.